Buying a condo versus renting an apartment is not always better. With condo ownership comes great responsibility in the form of maintenance, repairs, crazy condo boards, property tax increases, and building special assessments. On the other hand, paying rent means no tax benefits as you throw away money every month without building any home equity. Build home equity versus paying rent. When you own your home, your monthly mortgage payments consist of both loan principal as well as interest payments. Every time you pay down some principal on your mortgage, you reduce the remaining balance on your loan and increase the amount of equity you own in your home. No arbitrary rent increases. Buying a condo versus renting means you'll never have to face an arbitrary increase in rent just when you were starting to get comfortable. If you own your own condo, you can stop feeling like a nomad, ready to move to a new apartment at a moment's notice in case your rent gets jacked up too much. Tax benefits of buying a condo versus renting. There are some tax benefits associated with home ownership, whereas there are absolutely no tax benefits from paying rent on a personal residence. The tax benefits of buying a condo versus renting an apartment for your residence include the ability to deduct interest on the first $750,000 worth of loan balance. Furthermore, if you sell a property that's been your primary residence for at least 2 out of the last 5 years, then you'll be able to exempt up to $500,000 in gains from capital gains tax for married couples and $250,000 in gains for single tax filers. Bragging rights when you own versus rent. With great property comes great bragging rights, or at least the pride that comes with home ownership. There's a reason why popular hip-hop songs have lyrics like, "I got a condo in Manhattan." No repairs or maintenance when renting. The best part about renting versus buying is that you'll never have to worry about maintenance or repairs. Did the refrigerator stop working due to old age? Well, it's not your problem as long as you didn't purposefully damage it, and many lease agreements will obligate the landlord to provide appliances in working condition. Property taxes are a wealth tax. Owning property has its downsides, primarily from having a substantial amount of your assets subject to arbitrary property tax increases from your local government. Do you really want a substantial portion of your net worth in the hands of your local government? If they get your property taxes wrong or arbitrarily tax you more than comparable apartments in your neighborhood, you'll be in for a lot of hassle. Condo boards can be crazy. Being a renter means you won't have to deal with crazy, power-hungry condo boards in New York City, unless of course you get fined because you threw a huge party on the roof or something. But ordinarily, as a renter, you'll be blissfully unaware of the bickering between petty neighbors and board politics. Special assessments can be enormous. The cost of condo ownership can have some nasty surprises for the unaware. Most first-time homebuyers will simply budget in their mortgage payments, home insurance, common charges, and property tax payments. However, your building can become liable for enormous amounts of money if you need to get a new elevator, renovate the lobby, fix broken boilers, repair water damage, fix a broken roof, or repair a damaged facade that has failed a local Law 11 inspection.